Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Telegram channel. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is open Telegram and click on the icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then select new channel and create channel. Here you can add a photo, channel name and description. Fill in for an example. Click next and select the type, public or private. You can subscribe to private channels only by clicking the link. It is also on this page. You can also restrict saving content in your channel. Click next and select who you want to invite first. Click next and your channel is created. That's how easy it is. Also watch my other videos about Telegram at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.